This is a brand new 2011 Ford Escape. Its top features include air conditioning, speed-sensitive volume controls, cruise control, a CD player, a multi-link rear suspension, a four-wheel independent suspension, a chrome grille, a low tire pressure indicator, full power accessories, and aluminum wheels. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Andy Mohr Ford Lincoln is the place to find new Ford and Lincoln cars and trucks and pre-owned vehicles in Indianapolis. You can search our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Stop by and visit us today at 2713 East Main Street in Plainfield, or see us online at andymohrford.com.